From 0 to JLPT N5. This is lesson 3. So in the first and second lesson, you have learned X is Y grammar format in Japanese. For example, he is a teacher. This is 彼は先生です in Japanese. X is he, Y is teacher. X is Y sentence. This is 彼は先生です But this time you will learn how to make a question sentence. For example, is he a teacher? Or is she Japanese? And so on. But this is very simple because all you have to do is to add ka at the end. Just like this. Is he a teacher? Is. 彼は先生ですか? So, as you can see, nothing has changed except for this very end. I have just added ka at the end. Other than this, nothing has changed. So, he is a teacher is 彼は先生です But if you want to ask a question, is he a teacher? All you have to do is to add ka at the end. Nothing changes except for the ka at the end. So, the grammar format is this. Sentence plus ka at the end. That's it. Everything remains the same. Now, I have two sentences here. She is Japanese and he was a doctor. I'd like you to change those two sentences into a question sentence. Like, is she Japanese? And was he a doctor? So stop the video, take your time, and when you are ready, restart the video. Now the answers. Is she Japanese? Is 彼女は日本人ですか? So, all you have to do is to add ka at the end. That's it. Second, was he a doctor? 彼は医者でしたか? So, once again, just add ka at the end. That's it. So, this is the past tense. Even if this is the past tense, the sentence structure remains the same. All you have to do is to add ka. That's it. I have another exercise for you. Now, I'd like you to translate these three sentences into Japanese. Stop the video, take your time, and when you are ready, restart the video. Now the answers. Are they students? 彼らは学生ですか? So they in Japanese is 彼ら and student is 学生. So, because this is a question sentence, you need to have ka at the end. Second, is she Korean? 彼女は韓国人ですか? Korean in Japanese is 韓国人 country name plus 人 So, Korea in Japanese is 韓国 and Jin means people. Together, Korean. So once again, you need to have ka at the end. Lastly, Was he a lawyer? 彼は弁護士でしたか？ So because this is past tense, it should be でした instead of です because this is past tense. So now please repeat after me. 彼らは学生ですか？彼女は韓国人ですか？彼は弁護士でしたか？ Now I have homework for you. I'd like you to translate these 3 sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comment below. I will check your homework and correct your sentences. So very good job and thank you for listening. I will be very happy to see you again in the next lesson. So ありがとう and またね。